What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Evo J Auto Studio. So for this time, this is Jinxing again, and we are here at the 2026 Chicago Auto Show. You may see this Mustang right behind me, and in my opinion, this vehicle right here might be the one people talk for most of the time so far this year. Why this is happening? So we all know in the past, Mustang, Ford, they used to have the GT500 Shelby, but so far for this model year, we didn't see it out yet. But this car here might be the reason why this happened. You know, we have the Mustang GTD and there is a Dark Horse. This one named Dark Horse SC, which is positioned right between those two trim levels. So why Ford released this car and how special this car is, let's check it out in details. So if you are wondering what this SC means, very simple, supercharged. This one has a very similar powertrain level as the GTD and the previous GT500 Shelby, 5.2-liter V8 supercharged engine. Ford hasn't officially reported the horsepower and the torque yet, but give it a guess. In my opinion, you have the GTD on the top, you have the regular Dark Horse at the bottom. This one, we are seeing a very easily more than 700 horsepower beast right here.
Compared to the standard Dark Horse, the SC is clearly more performance and track focused, but still not as extreme as the GTD. It comes with upgraded MagnaRide adaptive dampers, revised suspension components, and noticeably more aggressive aero, all designed to improve cornering response and overall handling. Things get even more interesting with the optional track pack. This package adds Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, and a track pack specific MagnaRide calibration that's tuned specifically for the standard carbon fiber wheels, which is included in this package. Visually, the Dark Horse SC looks properly aggressive. The SC badge on the side lets everyone know this isn't just a Dark Horse, this is a supercharged one. Around the back, the large rear wing helps generate serious downforce, up to about 620 pounds at roughly 180 miles per hour when equipped with the track pack. The Mustang Dark Horse SC is expected to be available to order in spring 2026, with deliveries starting in the summer. Pricing hasn't been announced yet.
Alright, so that's it about this brand new Dark Horse SC. What's your thought about this car? How many horsepower you think this car gonna make? Leave your comment below and I will check them out. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.